Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Alright, please continue guys to support my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment or subscribe. That is it. Alright, so just came home like a couple minutes ago guys, and I'm cooking up some steamed fish, some snapper fillet. Yeah man, that is it, you know what I mean? Yeah man, with some white rice, some basmati white rice, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. Alright guys, so rice is about ready, so I'm just giving it a little stir just to loosen up the grains, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you know the family is here from Jamaica. Yeah man, so I have to be cooking, you know what I mean? You know they love my cooking. See me I say? Yeah man, so here guys, some steamed fish with mushroom, bell pepper, Irish potato, carrot, sweet pepper, which is bell pepper. Yeah man, lots of onion and garlic, thyme and scallion and mushroom. I love my steamed fish with mushroom. I really love mushroom guys. It's like I'm addicted to mushroom, you know. I put mushroom almost in everything I'm cooking. Once I'm cooking for myself and my family, love it as well, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so that is it guys. Yeah man, steamed fish is almost ready guys. Yeah man, that is it, you know. I don't want to stir it too much, you know. That is it guys. Yeah man, so I'm gonna give it a little taste, you know what I mean, just to confirm my cooking skill, you know what I mean? I say, no, it's on the up and up, but you know what I mean? That is it. Yeah, man. Just stay tuned guys, big up on yourself. Don't know, it's Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe or drop a comment, you know what I mean? Yeah man, big up on yourself guys, enough respect. Really appreciate you guys. Yeah man, one love, you know what I mean?